Honorable Director, sir. And now we want to start the program. Kindly give us permission.
पानी भरा था इसलिए गिर गई।
Now, Dr. Khadim, you may please go ahead.
Okay, thank you so much, Honorable Sir. Now, Anchor, it is over to you, please. Now you can start the program.
Good morning, good afternoon to one and all present. I'm Mehak Singh, Treasurer of IEEE Computer Society, BBD ITM Student Branch, and I'm going to be a host for today's event. It is my proud privilege to welcome you all today to this validatory function. First of all, I express my gratitude towards our Honorable Director, BBD ITM, Lucknow, Professor Dr. Bhavesh Kumar Chauhan, Student Branch Counselor, Professor Rafiq Ahmed, Advisor IEEE BBD ITM, Dr. Khadim Moim Siddiqui, and IEEE BBD ITM Y Affinity Group Advisor, Professor Kanika Lamba, for giving us opportunities and room to maneuver ourselves in various fields. Encouragement, enthusiasm, and excellency are the major aspect of the organization. With an object of encouraging the spirit of research and innovation, IEEE BBD ITM, in collaboration with IEEE UP section, feels proud to host this event. Thank you for joining us today. All the participants are requested to keep the microphones and videos off during the program. Any kind of disrespect will not be accepted from the participants. Anyone who's found creating nuisance will be barred from the event. Our branch has organized over more than 75 events, including Region 10 programs, beginning from March 2020 till date, and competitions on various topics, including webinar on advanced signal processing technique, IEEE Student Member Development Program, and many more. Our branch has also been awarded as the best student branch in the UP section in the year 2020. On behalf of IEEE BBD ITM branch, I express gratitude towards everyone who has been supporting us and attending the programs. Here's a short glimpse of various events organized by our IEEE branch right from its inception. Most humbly, now I invite our Honorable Director BBD ITM Lucknow, Professor Dr. Bhavesh Kumar Chauhan, for the welcome address.
Thank you, anchor of the program. I, on behalf of IEEE UP sections executive committee members and director BBD and ITM, as well as on behalf of our honorable chairperson Srimati Alka Das of BBD Education Group, President Shri Viraj Sagar Das ji, and other different stakeholders of the institute, as also in particular on behalf of the office bearers of PES as well as IEEE student branch of BBD ITM, welcome the chief guest of the day, Dr. Satish Kumar Singh sir, who is a professor at IIIT Allahabad and the chairperson of the IEEE UP section. He has been a mentor, so sir, we really feel a sense of gratitude the way you not only grace us with the presence but also keep guiding us from time to time. And in fact, we have been fortunate enough to have face-to-face functions also where you have been a chief guest and have suggested us very important guidelines as well as directions where this branch should really move ahead to make a significant contribution. Recently, in this function itself, our Vice Chairperson of this IEEE UP section, Mohammad Rehan Sir, who gave a very informative and eye-opener deliberation, which really helped all the participants. So I welcome Sir as a guest of honor in this forum. And I'm sure this association with you, not only as a Vice Chairperson, but also as a also on other forums, you will keep mentoring our volunteers as well as the office bearers for the different activities. So thank you, Vice Chairman of the IEEE UP section, Mohammad Rehan ji. And it's an honor to welcome you. Beside that, I of course offer a deep sense of gratitude while welcoming also the jury members, esteemed jury members, like Professor Dr. Monica Malhotra, who is a director of BBDEC, my director colleague, and is very talented and dynamic lady who not only administration of a repute, but also a very reputed academician as well. So she has been with the IEEE activities in various forums and has been a significant contributors and also took some initiatives also. So I'm sure very soon she will be also opening IEEE chapters, as I'm told, in BBDEC as well, and even BBD and IIT, the process has already been started to open IEEE chapter by Professor Dr. V.K. Singh sir, who is also a very learned academician. So I also welcome the other delegates and office bearers, including the HODs, all as DI of the department, all faculty members, the staff, and the different chapters running in the institute, including Computer Society of India, Indian Concrete Institutes, Institutional Innovation Council. So all these office bearers, I know they're employees in the interdisciplinary way. I also feel a sense of pride in acknowledging as well the contribution of the Office Bureau PS Society, in particular for having organized this functions. So both in technical as well as an initiative to plan this program and execute it in a good manner. So it's an honor to acknowledge your presence as well as welcome you as a host. So I'm sure this function where we also will be releasing institutionals and departmental magazines on which our faculty members of different departments under the guidance of head of the departments and DI, we have worked very hard. So it's a very important functions, and I'm sure all of us have been looking forward for this. And with the chief guest, Professor Dr. Satish Kumar Singh sir, and the guest of honor, Professor Mohammad Rehan sir, I'm sure we will learn certain things in this functions as a takeaway as well, beside completing certain tasks which have been long awaited for. So thank you, Anna, for this anchor, for this opportunity, and over to the anchor. Thank you. Welcome once again.
Thank you so much, sir, for the welcome address. Now, I would like to invite IEEE BBD ITM PES Chair, Suryansh Gupta, to give his message to the audience. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Anchor. Good afternoon to Honorable Chief Guest, Guest of Honor, jury members, respected Director Sir, faculty members, and to all the participants present over here. I, Suryansh Gupta, Chairperson of IEEE BBD ITM Power and Energy Society. I am here to report about the successfully organized 5-day IEEE PES Day celebration that was held during 18th of April to 22nd of April 2021. I am very delighted to tell you about the wonderful response which we have got for our event. We got more than 500 registrations for this event. The inaugural session that was held on 18th of April 2021 included panel discussion from various dignitaries. I am quite grateful to all the honorable speakers, Professor Saifur Rahman sir, Professor S.N. Singh sir, Professor Frede Blabzer sir, Professor Atif Iqbal sir, Professor Tripta Thakur ma'am, Professor Anamika Yadav ma'am, who gave us their valuable time to speak upon the following topics. That is, first, humanitarian opportunities in power and energy in the Indian subcontinent. Second, engaging IEEE PES members in humanitarian activities. Third, clean energy revolution. for this session. There was more than 300 attendees. The session was quite informative for all the attendees. On 19th of April 2021, a webinar on microgrid and its applications was held in the presence of Honorable Professor Ashish Kumar sir. He explained in detail about the microgrid and its future scope and its applications. More than 150 attendees were recorded. Thank you, sir, for explaining such an important topic. On 20th of April 2021, a webinar on decarbonizing the electric power grid was held in the presence of Honorable Professor Muhammad Rihan sir. He explained in detail about its requirement, opportunities, and challenges. More than 150 attendees were recorded for this session. Thank you, sir, for explaining such an important topic. On 21st of April, a poster competition on theme Clean Energy Revolution was held in the presence of honorable and personified jury panel, including Dr. Monica Mehrotra ma'am, Dr. Nitin Saxena sir, Dr. Vikas Solanki sir, Dr. Anurag Dwivedi sir, who gave us their valuable time. We got active participation for this event. Today was the 5th day and the last day of the event. It was the completion of innovative idea for project competition on theme Clean Energy Revolution in the presence of honorable and personified jury panel, including Dr. Monica Mehrotra ma'am, Dr. Nitin Saxena sir, Dr. Vikas Solanki sir, and Dr. Anurag Dwivedi sir, who gave us their valuable time, and also we got active participation for this event too. Finally, on the behalf of IEEE BBD ITM PES team, I thank Honorable Professor Satish Kumar Singh sir, Chairperson of IEEE UP section, and Honorable Dr. Muhammad Rihan sir, Vice Chair IEEE UP section, for giving this opportunity to organize such a big event, and also thank them for hosting it. Their motivation was instrumental in the successful completion of this event. In future, if provided us with this opportunity again, we will hold different type of events having much larger equality audience, having much bigger impact. On this special occasion, I grab this opportunity to thank our respected director, Professor Bhavesh Kumar Chauhan sir, a PES advisor, for his motivation and guidance. Secondly, I would like to thank respected student branch counselor, Professor Rafiq sir, advisor of the student branch, and Dr. Khadim Moin Siddiqui, the IEEE BBD ITM advisor, and IEEE BBD ITM WIE Infinity Group advisor, Professor Kanika Lamba ma'am. Without their support and guidance, the event would be impossible to organize. Last but not the least, I would like to thank IEEE BBD ITM student branch chair Shri Khanna, as well as the executive committee of IEEE BBD ITM PES and organizing team as well. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Now, most humbly, I would request Professor Kanika Lamba, advisor V Affinity Group, BBD ITM, to declare the result of the two competition, poster making competition and innovative idea for the poster competition. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Mehak. Good afternoon, everyone. My deep sense of appreciation and thanks to all the participants who chose to be live with us and participated the event with great enthusiasm and made it a successful event. I thank you all the students who have participated in this event. Before calling the winner, let me tell you that winning and losing is a part of the game. The most important thing is that you took back the challenge and dare to face such competition. So I would say everyone is winner over here. Let us give a big applaud for all the participants who participated in the event and made it a great success. A big applaud for all the participants. Now, I request Dr. Monica Mehrotra, Director BBD EC, to declare the result for the poster competition and project competition. Over to you, ma'am. Monica, ma'am.
Thank you, Kanika. Am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am, you're absolutely audible, ma'am.
First of all, very good afternoon to the distinguished guest, Professor Satish Kumar Singh sir, who is the chief guest today, Vice Chairman of IEEE UP section, Professor Muhammad Rihan sir, jury members, Professor Nitin, Professor Anurag, and Director of BBD ITM, Professor Bhavesh Chauhan ji. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Bhavesh for providing me an opportunity to take part in such an interesting and useful event. It was a privilege for all the participants to listen to the learned personalities in the field of electrical engineering during the 5 days program. I also thank Professor Moin Siddiqui for giving me an opportunity to judge the various competitions based on clean energy revolution. I congratulate the office bearers of IEEE student branch and the participants also who participated with so much enthusiasm. It's really a good initiative taken by the IEEE student branch to sensitize the young generation about the significance of clean energy so as to reduce the environmental impact of traditional sources of electricity, which are one of the leading causes of industrial pollution. So now it's the time for the winners. For me, all the participants are winners, but then some had a better idea than others. So let me announce the name of the winner of poster presentation. There were two categories in the poster presentation. The first one was the digital posters. So there is only one winner for the digital poster, and the name of the winner is Mr. Aviral Das. And for the category of the handmade posters, there are two results. The first one is Mr. Prince Verma, and the second one is Ms. Yashika Yadav. So I hope the results are clear to you. So Kanika, I have to announce for the project results as well.
Yes, please, ma'am.
Okay, so for the innovative idea competition that was held today itself, the results are the winner is Mr. Hitansh Dwivedi, first prize, and the second one is Mr. Aviral Das. So thank you to all the IEEE student branch members for for giving me this opportunity to announce the results. Thank you. Over to Kanika.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your time, valuable time to us. Now, Mehak, please continue. Hello, Anchor.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for declaring the results. Congratulations to all the winners. Now, I would like to invite editor of the institutional magazine, Professor Khadim Moin Siddiqui, sir, convener of IEEE PES Day Celebration 2021 to address the audience. Over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Mehak. Mehak, am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are all audible.
Okay, so good afternoon, dear readers. It is a great honor for me to speak in front of you, the editor of the institution magazine. So after successful publications of previous two editions, now we are delighted in presenting the third special edition of the institution magazine. This special volume of the institution magazine includes activities from May to November 2020. So in this special volume, the participating departments are civil engineering, computer science engineering, chemical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, information technology, mechanical engineering, and management department, along with data of alumni cell and placement cell have been included. So no doubt, due to the motivational mentorship and guidance of our Honorable Director, Professor Dr. Bhavesh Kumar Chauhan, we are going to publish this special volume of 2020. Honorable Sir, the editorial team acknowledges without your constructive guidance and mentorship, we are unable to publish this kind of magazine in the effective way. Special thanks to Professor D.S. Ray, HOD Civil Engineering, Dr. Divakar Yagyasen, HOD Computer Science and Engineering, Dr. Suresh Patel, HOD Chemical Engineering Department, Dr. Shailin Tahliani, HOD Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Professor Rafiq Ahmed, HOD and EN Department, Dr. Manoj Darbari, HOD IT Department, Dr. RN Yadav, HOD Mechanical Department, and Dr. Manish Singh, HOD Management Department, for providing us their department activities with faculty contribution timely. Your immense support is highly appreciated. But especially, I want to mention here about the institutional MHRD's Institutions Innovation Council. The team is led by the Professor Raghavendra Singh and Dr. Abhimanyu Yadav. And this IIC is moving steady and continuously trying to make students innovative and research oriented with the cooperation of IEEE, CSI, and ICI. So, Team IIC, many congratulations to you because you are continuously working for the growth of institution in terms of innovation, startup, ranking, and entrepreneurship in the effective way. So today we have the institutional magazine, but this magazine cannot be possible without the contribution of my team members such as Professor Dharmesh Srivastav and Professor Shivam Dikshit for helping me to accomplish the task in the effective way. So thank you so much, Professor Dharmesh Srivastav and Professor Shivam Dikshit for your active contribution. Thank you so much all for your direct and indirect support. Thank you so much for listening me. Now, Anchor, it is over to you, please. Now, Mehak,
Yes.
Anchor, it is over.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite Professor Rafiq Ahmed, Head of the Electrical Department, to acknowledge the audience.
Actually, there is some problem with HOD sir. Uh, actually there is connectivity problem. So HOD
Okay,
sir
sir.
is not present here. So now I am going to continue Mehak on the behalf of him.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay,
Mehak.
sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Uh, Okay, now I will request to our Honorable Director, Professor Dr. Bhavesh Kumar Chauhan, BBDITM, for Institute magazine releasing process. Sir, now it is the time to release the Institute magazine. Kindly process. Honorable Director, sir, please.
Thank you, Dr. Khatem, editor of the magazine. Along with your editorial board, I congratulate you. And it's really a great honor that today to release this magazine's third issue, which as our editor mentioned, that it gives the detail regarding the last semester, that is scheduled between 20th July to December, because these are biannual magazines. So every 6 months, these magazines are published. So we have an honor, and in fact, we feel deeply obliged also. We have the honor that today this magazine is being released by the IEEE UP's chairperson, Professor Dr. Satish Kumar Singh sir. So I request Honorable Chairman of IEEE UP section to kindly release this magazines, and I also ask the technical team to support the process. Thank you very much, sir. In this regard, I also acknowledge the presence of the Vice Chairman, Professor Mohammad Rehan sir, and as well as, of course, the contribution of all the HODs, faculty, and members for having contributed and showcasing their activities.
Okay, team, please go ahead.
Thank you, sir. It's really an honor for us. It's a momentous event, an historic event that this third issue is being released in your presence by you, sir. And these are our founders.
I can see.
Yes. And thanks to them, we have this such a framework and network and infrastructure, marvelous infrastructure to carry out so many activities, diverse activities from time to time.
Okay, thank you so much, Honorable Satish Kumar Singh, sir, for releasing the institution magazine. Now we have 5 departmental magazine to be released in this ceremony. So, firstly, the Mechanical Engineering Department magazine will be released by the our Honorable Chairperson, Professor Satish Kumar Singh, sir. But before releasing the magazine, now most humbly, I would like to invite HOD Mechanical Engineering, Dr. R.N. Yadav. Kindly, sir, kindly give brief speech about your magazine. Sir, now you are invited. Dr. R.N. Yadav, sir. If Dr. R.N. Yadav sir is not present here, so I would like to invite their department in charge to come forward, please.
And Dr. Yadav is very much there. So please
Okay.
make sure that you unmute him.
Okay, Suryansh, make co-host to all HODs, please.
Yes, sir, making it. Making
Okay.
Okay, sir. Listen, I am audible, sir. Dr. R.N. Yadav from this side.
Yes, you are very much audible.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So thank you for invitation. I humble Honorable Chief Guest Professor Satish Kumar sir, Chairperson IEEE UP sections, and Honorable Guest of Honor Professor Rehan sir, Vice Chair IEEE UP sections, and Honorable Director sir Professor Bhavesh Kumar Chauhan, and also Honorable Directors BBD EC Professor Monica Moitra ma'am, and all respective HODs, faculty members, staff, students, and BBD and ITM student IEEE student chapters and their teams. And today, first of all, I would like to thank to BBD and ITM IEEE student chapters to provide a better and a beautiful platform to us for releasing the Mechanical Engineering Department newsletter, refer and especially known as a MECA News, under the platform of IEEE. That is a very proud moment for us. Obviously, the MECA News cover the various activity performed by the department and for the academic year 2019-20 even semester, and especially for the time period January 2020 to June 2020. And that is a period, of course, we know that is a very pandemic for all of us due to COVID-19 and also due to lockdown period. And that situation, that is very difficult for all of us and everybody to continue the various activities in daily life as well as educational activities. And that is very panic and challenging for everyone. And that challenges converted into the opportunity, and all the various and educational activity adopted by Department of Mechanical Engineering and their faculty through online mode, utilizing the various online platform like Google's Zooms, Google Classroom, Google Meet, YouTube, and various. And the mechanism that is the compilation of various activities that can be performed, that are performed during the lockdown period and before the lockdown period, month of January and February. So for the compilation of the various activities, I am thankful for our editorial team and others members, especially for the Professor Ansari sir and Professor Suraj Srivastava sir and alumni Professor Priyanka Arora, Professor K.D. Divedi and Professor Amir, who make their continuous effort to give a beautiful look for the present form of the current Mecca News. For this, I am also thankful for our review team, Professor Ray sir, Professor Shivangi ma'am, and Professor Suresh Patel sir, and continuous and effort for our director, Professor Bhavesh Kumar Chauhan sir, and BBD Educational Group. Of course, I am thankful for the BBD ITM student chapter to give a beautiful platform for us to release the mechanical engineering department in newsletter. And of course, the newsletter significantly reflect the various activities and potential of mechanical engineering department to successful and smoothly conducted the departmental activities as well as other activities during the lockdown period and before the lockdown period. So at last, I thankful for all of you and thanks to all. And now over to host. Host, please.
Thank you very much, sir, for your nice words about your departmental magazine. Now, Dr. R.N. Yadav, sir, now I will request you, kindly request to our honorable chief guest, Professor Satish Kumar Singh, sir, for releasing your departmental magazine. Sir, Dr. R.N. Yadav, sir, please.
Thank you, sir. And now I requested to Professor Satish Kumar sir to kindly permit me to release the departmental magazine of mechanical engineering department and name it Mecca News. Sir, please. Professor Satish Kumar sir, please.
I think there is some connectivity problem. Honorable Chairperson of IEEE UP section, Professor Satish Kumar Singh, sir. If you are listening me, kindly give permission to release the magazine of mechanical department, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir, please.
Sorry, I could not listen for a moment. So I was going through the magazine. So it is a nice, compilation of all the activities which were conducted by this mechanical engineering department. So really great efforts have been put in this newsletter, basically. So because this is a periodical activity, so rather than magazine, it is a basically newsletter. It's nice. It's nice. Please go ahead and release.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, Dr. R.N. Yadav, sir. Now the mechanical department magazine has been released. Many congratulations to you and your team, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Now, further, we are going to release a second magazine. So now I would like to invite Professor D.S. Ray, sir, HOD Civil Engineering Department. Sir, kindly give brief introduction on your magazine. Sir, now it is over to you. D.S. Ray, sir, kindly.
Please unmute yourself, Professor D.S. Ray, sir. Kindly unmute yourself.
Okay. Okay. Thanks, sir. Thanks. Am I audible?
Yes, you are very much audible.
Okay. Good afternoon to everyone, sir. Today, chief guest, Professor Satish Kumar Singh, chairperson, IEEE UP section and Professor IIIT Allahabad Prayagraj. Guest of honor, Professor Mohammad Rehan, Vice Chairman, IEEE UP section, AMU Aligarh. Our mentor, Professor Dr. Bhavesh Kumar Chauhan, Director, BBD and ITM. Professor V.K. Singh Sahab, Director, NIIT. Professor Monica Malhotra, ma'am, Director, BBD EC. All head of the department, all faculty members of BBD ITM, faculty of Department of Civil Engineering, all students of Civil Engineering and other department. I welcome all in this auspicious occasion. This magazine has been published with joint collaboration of Indian Concrete Institute and Civitech, a cultural forum of Civil Engineering Department, BBD, ITM. It gives me immense pleasure on the occasion of official inauguration of departmental magazine, Vikas Chakra 2.0. That is the second edition of our departmental magazine. In each edition, we have taken top structure of the world on the cover page. And this time, we have taken Burj Khalifa, the tallest building of the world, on the cover page of our departmental magazine. It is a talent of outcome of our faculty and student, which will be reflected in this magazine. A departmental magazine is an integral part of institute life. The contents of magazine pertain to activities of the department and circulated among all stakeholders. It is extremely relevant to the student, faculty, and authority of the institute. Today, department magazine is not only a tool of exchanging the views and information, but it is now necessary for accreditation of all the department by various organizations like NIRF, NBA, etc. And as you know, it is the mandatory for all the department. The magazine as a organ of our department is an opt medium of self-explanation of faculty and the student. Departmental magazine is a symbol of pride and mature presentation of department. Any individual going through the magazine would clearly gauge the principle, values, and ideology of the department. Departmental magazine promotes creativity and nurtures the latent skill of young mind. A departmental magazine is a collective effort, hence putting together magazine, faculty and student learn to function and work as a team. I feel it is best way to gauge the academic co-curriculum, extra-co-curriculum index of the department. Our magazine, Vikas 2.0, a second edition of departmental magazine, shows the continuous development. Chakra. Chakra is a symbol of continuous movement and progress of the department, institute, and society also. Our high gratitude to our beloved chairman, late Dr. Akhilesh Das, chairperson, Mrs. Alka Das, president, Mr. Viraj Sagar Das, and vice president, Ms. Sonakshi Das. It is not possible to publish magazine without continuous support and encouragement of our mentor, Professor Dr. Bhavesh Kumar Chauhan, Director BBD ITM. I express my heartfelt gratitude to our director, sir. But whole credit of publication of departmental magazine goes to editorial board, especially Professor Ashwani Kumar Pandey. Without his continuous effort, it would not be possible. Along with him, our student, Mr. Ujjwal Shahi and Mr. Sailendra Kumar Singh have contributed in many ways. Design and drafting team, Professor Ashwani Kumar Pandey, Professor Atulya Kumar, and Ms. Garima Pathak have done a lot of work day and night for this magazine. Review committee, Dr. Supriya Pudal Atmam and Mr. Shiv Gopal Yadav, a student, have done marvelous work as a reviewer. For photography team, Professor Nidhi Singh, Professor Ashish Verma sir, Mr. Adit Pratap Singh have contributed more for the photography. Apart from the editorial board, our faculty members have done a lot of work and their suggestion has been incorporated in our magazine. Last but not least, I extend my thanks to Institute Review Committee, Dr. Shivangi Tiwari, Department of Management, Dr. Suresh Patel, HOD, Department of Chemical Engineering. Again, thanks to everyone. Thanks you. Over to the
Thank you so much, sir. You are active part of the review committee, and without your enormous contributions, no magazine can be released in the effective way. Sir, now I would request to you kindly request to our honorable chairman, Professor Satish Kumar Singh, sir, kindly request for releasing your magazine, your departmental magazine. Sir.
Thank you, sir. It is a great pleasure for me to invite Dr. Satish Kumar Singh, Chairperson, IEEE UP section and Professor IIIT Allahabad Prayagraj to officially inaugurate the Department Magazine of Civil Engineering. Sir.
So thank you, Professor Dayal Singh ji. Thank you very much for inviting me to release this magazine. I really feel honored in declaring that this newsletter or this magazine should be released. And it is really nicely compiled, collection of the events and really highlighting all the activities of the department. So really useful, and I feel proud and honored declaring it released. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Honorable Sir. Now, many congratulations to HOD Civil Engineering Department, Professor Daya Shankar Ray, sir. So now your departmental magazine has been released. Many congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
You are most welcome, sir.
Thank you to chief guest and guest of honor, along with our director, sir. Thank you, sir, very much, sir.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Professor Ray.
Now it is the time to release the magazine of Computer Science Engineering Department. So on behalf of Dr. Diwakar Yagyasen sir, now I would like to invite Professor Shadab Siddiqui, Department in charge of Computer Science Engineering Department. Sir, it is over to you. Kindly give brief introduction about your magazine, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir. Can everybody hear me?
Yes.
Yes, you are very much audible.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Shadab Siddiqui. It gives me immense pleasure to represent the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. As we all know that BBD ITM is one of the premier institutions, unique like a prism, reflecting the manifold shades of learning and co-curricular activities. I would like to welcome the chief guest, Professor Satish Kumar Singh, Chairperson IEEE UP Section, IIIT Allahabad, and also welcome Professor Mohammad Rehan, Vice Chair, IEEE UP Section, AMU Aligarh. On behalf of BBD ITM, I would like to thank Honorable Chairperson Ma'am, BBD Educational Group, Honorable President Sir, and our respected Director Sir, Professor Dr. Bhavesh Kumar Chauhan Sir, for inspiring us and giving us this opportunity. Our head of department, Professor Dr. Diwakar Yagyasen, has been working from last 20 years, and he has an expertise in field of intelligent systems, human-computer interface, and web semantics. Sir, you have helped us to make this magazine. What you learn, how you learn, and where you learn plays a crucial role in developing one's intellectual capability besides career. Hence, on the behalf of Computer Science and Engineering Department, I, Shadab Siddiqui, Departmental in charge, welcome you all to showcase the launch of the second edition of the Department magazine, Bits and Bytes Volume 2. I am very much honored and pleased that the Department of Computer Science and Engineering has been involved in many technical and other activities in building of the student career. We have conducted various programs and various online competitions for the students to enrich the student knowledge. So in the magazine, you can see that the various technical events have been organized by the Department of CSE, and these events are being listed in front of you. Firstly, the online technical hackathon was conducted to showcase the talent of students by their innovative ideas. Also, inauguration of CSI student branch was being done on 5th September 2020. Also, we have conducted various international webinars on IT security in online mode on 11th October 2020. And one day international webinar was also conducted. Logo design competition, poster making and content writing competition was held on 20th October, in which various departments participated. We also conducted digital awareness program and women empowerment program at Lonapur village, Lucknow, by the help of team CSI. We have two technical groups, IIC cell and CSI cell. Here you can see that the CSI team and IIC have been continuously motivating us and helping us to make good events possible. Interactive sessions are being organized by CSE departments on various topics like process of innovation development by COE, AIC, Atal Incubation Center. One day workshop was also being done by the story. Motivational session by successful innovators have been done. The departmental events were also published on communications by the CSI, released on and editions of June, July, September, October, and December. These are the events which are being highlighted in front of you. The CSI cell is also a part of our department, and this is the student council for the session 2021, where Dr. Bhavesh Kumar Chauhan sir, director sir, has lead us from the front. And this is the team. We are the student branch counselors. Moving ahead, Dr. Divakar Yagasen also delivered a lecture as resource person in AICT sponsored 1 week online short-term program on deep learning at Sanskriti School of Engineering, Andhra Pradesh. This is the team of CSI, where the documentation team, the social media team has been always working. These are the achievements that are being published in CSI magazine in various months. So the continuous events of CS departments are being published in the Computer Society of India newsletters. And these are the achievements by the head of department. Then moving on to the further, I've also published and awarded the Center of Excellence in reviewing an outstanding contribution at Asian Journal of Research and Computer Science. And then also the establishment of IEEE Computer Society Executive Committee at college level, where the computer science faculty members as well as students are a part. Now, moving on to the further, that the students and faculty of CSE departments have brought laurels to the institute through their contribution in different activities like academics and research. They have achieved in AKTU Sports Fest and various Utkarsh and IIT Kharagpur, IIT Kanpur, they have won various laurels. And also our CSE department student Divakar Tripathi and Shivani Avasthi has written an article on the topic of robotics requirements of today's and future generations, which was published in TechWings at CSI Lucknow. The faculty members are encouraged to publish research papers in reputed journals like Scopus, SCI, Springer, and the research publications in international journal by various faculty members is done on regular basis. As most of the students are placed in reputed organizations, I would like to congratulate all the students who have been placed through campus and off campus with good salary packages. The magazine also incorporates the alumni speak by our esteemed alumni. These are the placements in various companies like TCS, Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, Setcos. And this is the alumni speak by the distinguished alumni who have got good packages in various companies. I extend my hearty congratulations to the entire faculty and students of Department of Computer Science and Engineering for their enthusiasm and effort to achieve success. I would like to thank the editorial team members, Professor Zulfikar Ali Ansari sir, Ms. Seshri, Mr. Suri Vikram Singh, and students of Team CSI for their contribution in the second volume of the departmental magazine. I thank you all for being the part of the launch of our CSI departmental magazine. Hope you all liked it. I would like to thank the review team, Professor D.S. Ray sir, Dr. Suresh Patel, and Dr. Shivangi Tiwari for providing their valuable suggestions. Thank you everyone for being a part of our launch of our departmental magazine. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Professor Shadab Siddiqui, for your words about your departmental magazine. And no doubt the Department of Computer Science and Engineering is committed to give the skilled engineers to our stakeholders. Thank you very much for giving your valuable speech. Now it is my kind request to you, kindly request to our honorable guest of honor, Professor Mohammad Rehan, Honorable Vice Chairperson IEEE UP section, for releasing your departmental magazine. Now it is over to you, Professor Shadab.
Sir, good afternoon. I would like to welcome Professor Mohammad Rian, Vice Chair IEEE UP section AMU Aligarh, to allow us to release the magazine Bits and Bytes Volume 2 for the CSE department.
Thank you, Dr. Shadab Saab. And I am happy to announce this magazine released, Bits and Bytes of Computer Science and Engineering Department. And I am really happy to see the one thing is the activities, and second thing is the way beautifully you have compiled these activities in this magazine. It shows the lot of work on the part of department, administration, faculty, and as well as students. And especially, I really like the title of your magazine, Bits and Bytes, very innovative and very relevant topic, considering your department also. So I feel honored to declare this magazine released. Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, congratulations to Professor Shadab Siddiqui. Now the CSE department magazine
thank you, sir.
Has been released. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Dr. Shadab.
Now we are going to process for the releasing the next magazine. So it is my humble request to you, HOD Information Technology Department, Dr. Manoj Darbari sir. Sir, kindly give brief introduction about your departmental magazine. Sir, it is over to you now.
Thank you, sir. First of all, good afternoon, everyone. I would like to welcome Professor Satish Kumar Singh, Chairman IEEE UP section, and Professor Mohammad Rehan, Vice Chairman IEEE UP section, and our Director, sir, Bhavesh sir, and Monica Malhotra ma'am, Director BBD EC, and all from BBD fraternity on the launch of this magazine. It gives me immense pleasure to announce the second formal launch of the departmental e-magazine, Iteration 2.0. With constant effort and listing of all the round year activities, we are able to showcase it in the second edition of our departmental magazine. We have worked day and night to make this thing happen. I would like to appreciate our director, sir, for such an initiative, and who has been constantly motivating us to launch further issues of this magazine. He constantly emphasized that this trend should continue in future, as it is an interface to new students coming to IT branch and current happenings, as well as the past thumbnails which the department has achieved will be known to them. This is the only medium through which the vibrations of the department are well resonated amongst the students. The main idea of this magazine is to dig out the multidimensional capability of students and nurture them towards holistic goal. It's like a rainbow of multifaceted activities shown in the form of a separate spectrum. It touches various topics ranging from departmental technical activities, industrial visits, cultural activities, and views of some of our prestigious alumni. Although it was very difficult to assimilate the activities due to pandemic, but I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all the faculty members of IT department and some of the few key students who have really contributed in bringing out this magazine, like Ved Gupta, Utkarsh Upadhyay, and Ayushi Tripathi, who has designed it so well, and Sarthak Gupta for his excellent content reviewing and picture editing done by Riya Gupta. They have worked day and night to launch this magazine in time. Lastly, I would like to thank Mr. Anurag Tiwari, Dr. Anurag Tiwari, editor of the magazine, for working with full zeal and support to the students in bringing out this excellent second version of the magazine. It covers various aspects from departmental activities which were performed after iteration 1 first launch, and it gives a clear-cut indication that in which directions we have to move on. I would be missing my duty if I am not being thanking the CSI branch members, IEEE branch members, who have played a significant role in providing value addition to this magazine. And this is some of the showcase of the activities where we have performed various types of student activities, and we have got laurels from various corners of our country. And even though lockdown shouldn't affect our progress, we are able to perform various set of activities which we have mentioned in the magazine, departmental magazine. And thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, sir. Actually, it is a really very good magazine presenting by your department. And no doubt before lockdown and after lockdown, you have joined a hand with CSI and IEEE and organized many events. So now it is my kind request to you, Dr. Manoj Darbari, sir, kindly request to Honorable Vice Chairperson IEEE UP section, Professor Mohammad Rian, for releasing your departmental magazine. Sir, now it is over to you.
I would now invite the guest of honor, Dr. Mohammad Rihan, Vice Chairman, IEEE UP section, to oblige us by launching the second edition of this magazine. Sir.
Thank you, Dr. Manoj Darbari sir. And I'm really happy to see the magazine of your department. It shows that your students are really talented and your faculty are really mentoring them and grooming them in a very good way. So I congratulate you and your department on bringing out such a good magazine, and I feel happy to announce this magazine released.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And now many congratulations to Dr. Manoj Darbari, sir. Now the IT department magazine has been released. Many congratulations.
Thank you.
Again. Now we are going to release the next magazine. We are going to process the electronics and communication engineering. So it is my humble request to you, to Dr. Shailen Taliani, sir, kindly give a brief introduction about your departmental magazine. Sir, now it is over to you. Dr. Shailen Taliani, sir.
Thank you, Karim. A very good afternoon. Am I audible to all of you?
Sir, you are perfectly audible, sir.
Fine. A very good afternoon to all of you. It's my immense pleasure that I'm sharing the floor with Professor Satish Kumar Singh, the chairman of IEEE UP section, and Professor Mohammad Rian Saab, the vice chairman of IEEE UP section, along with our director, Mr. Bhavesh Kumar Chauhan sir, and Dr. Bhavesh Kumar Chauhan sir, and our director of BBD Engineering College, Dr. Monica Malhotra ma'am. All my dear colleagues, HODs, faculty members, students. Our effort for releasing this magazine was basically to encourage students. Actually, it's a time of information. It's always information is in demand, and we want all our work efforts which we do in the department for the benefit of the society. We want it to be projected on a platform. With special thanks to our director Bhavesh Kumar sir, we had this initiative and we were successful in this. We are going to release our version 2 of our newsletter on this very esteemed platform of IEEE. All the support we have got from him was really which made us do this. The newsletter basically is just a glimpse of our department, our continuous effort to basically enrich students with information. The efforts we do, we basically organize different events. We basically give them platforms for learning, industry interactions. Then there is some comments and some suggestions from our alumni, then our faculty who gradually puts effort in upgradation of their qualifications, publish papers. Then as a result, the students which they get placed, actually the purpose of this magazine, this newsletter, is to encourage students, all those who are connected to us, and enrich them with proper information. I'm very happy to announce that our team of faculty members, internal team, especially Mr. Pankaj Verma sir and the students of Department of Electronics and Communication have contributed in making this newsletter magazine publish every 3 monthly. And we do it on the basis that the information comes out, we just compile it, we present it in a way that it is readable, the information is able to go to the students, everyone who is involved, and a spark is being reflected all through. The magazine contains a lot of information about the events, apart from the ideas which we pose, we give to the students innovative ideas. It may be platforms to do publish papers, do innovative work in different fields. And this magazine is basically for information and generating a spark among the students for encouraging them to be successful human beings serving the society. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your brief introduction. About the education policy, new education policy, and that was the commendable event organized by your department. Sir, now it is my humble request to you, kindly request to our honorable guest of honor, Professor Mohammad Rihan sir, for releasing your departmental magazine. Sir, now it is over to you, please.
I would request Professor Mohammad Rihan Sahab to kindly release our magazine for the second version this time. And we always need your blessings. We'll be doing this ahead in future also. And I would request you to kindly release our magazine version 2 today on this platform of IEEE.
Thank you, Dr. Shailendra Salyani ji, and I'm happy to release this magazine of ECE department.
Now, many congratulations to Dr. Shailin Tehniyali, sir. Now the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering
Thank
magazine.
you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And thank you for everyone, organizers, every student, organizers, everyone who has made this possible on such a great platform of IEEE, all the members of the student chapter of IEEE, everyone, every faculty involved, the jury, everyone who has made this possible. Thank you so much. We are really very happy to get it launched. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, before proceeding the event further, now from here we have published today a institutional magazine and 5 departmental magazines, and it is happened due to the exemplary role of our reviewers, especially Professor D.S. Ray, sir, Professor Suresh Patel sir, and Professor Shivangi Tiwari ma'am. And without their exemplary efforts, I think these magazines will not be released in this effective form. Thank you so much, respected reviewers. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to invite the Vice Chairperson, IEEE UP section, Professor Mohammad Rehan, sir. Sir, kindly give your guest of honor address. Sir, now it is over to you. Uh, Actually, Honorable Director, sir, Mohammad Rehan, sir, is calling. And I think there is some technical problem. So he is going to join again. So we can wait for 1 minute.
Okay, Dr. Khadim, please. I think all of us can wait.
Yes, sir. Honorable Director, sir, I think he is facing some more problem. So can we invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Satish Kumar Singh, sir, for the Chief Guest address? Honorable Director, sir.
Okay, I think maybe in a couple of seconds you can please.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Now, I think our guest of honor is facing some technical problem. So now, most humbly, I would like to invite Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Satish Kumar Singh, Chairperson, IEEE UP section, for Chief Guest address. Sir, now it is over to you, please.
So, thank you, Dr. Khadim, for inviting me in this wonderful program. So, first of all, I like to highlight that I could witness the energy which BBD NIT has put in organizing this great event on this PES Day celebration. So basically, I would not say that this is PES Day celebration, rather this is Herculean, task in organizing such a big activity. I can see that a lot of participants got registered for the event, and I was there during many sessions, and I could see that sessions were full of the participants. So actually what is happening nowadays, normally people get registered for the events, but they don't bother to at least see what is going on in that room in this online mode. But here, what I can perceive that rooms were almost full, and every activity was full of energy. A lot of participants participated in all those activities. So today I can see that under the great leadership of Professor Bhavesh Kumar. Almost each and every head of department has done a wonderful job throughout the year. Whether it is mechanical engineering department, civil engineering department, electronics, computer science, or IT. These 5 departments, as well as the institutional magazine. So basically, if we say something about the magazine, we may take very lightly. But it is very difficult to assemble the entire magazine or newsletter, because this is the true reflection of the institutional activities, whatever are going on within the institute. So these magazines are while going through these magazines, I could sense that these magazines have included almost every facet of the academic and research institutions. So BBT group was normally considered as the academic institution, but what I could perceive that there are a lot of research related activities as well. Means this is not only the student centric now, and a lot of research have been reflected in these magazines. It means that the faculty members are also very well motivated towards the research activities. So it is a great thing for any institution that faculty members are improving their level of knowledge by associating them in day-to-day and state-of-the-art technical know-how and technical knowledge. Because if faculties are doing like this, then it's definitely students will get more and more benefit out of it. And state-of-the-art knowledge can be created, can be generated, and can be transferred, can be disseminated among all the members of the society at large. So this is great that BBD NIT has conducted so many activities. They have compiled very well, and especially in this ESA celebration, they have demonstrated that they have huge potential. So I really congratulate all the organizers. So at front end, Professor Bhavesh Kumar ji, Professor Khadim ji, Kanika Lamba ji, and other people. Here I can see that there are so many people who are associated at the front end. And I'm sure that more than front end, a lot of efforts were involved, which were required at the back end side. And really, the student team, IEEE student team is the backbone of this back end. And all the faculty mentors, whether these are from Signal Processing Society chapter, Computers chapter, ES chapter, any other chapters. Even CSI, I could perceive that a lot of activities are going on under this banner of CSI. So I request all computer science department and IT department to get involved themselves in IEEE related activities as well, so that they can get even better visibility at global level. So once you are conducting these activities, globally people recognize you. What is BBT? Okay. Ultimately, it will be helpful in setting up a brand. So I request all the faculty members, all the students, all the participants who are present over here, please consider joining IEEE. IEEE provides many things. If you come in IEEE, then only you can know what is IEEE and how it is progressing. So really, once again, many congratulations to the chairman of BBD Group, and the director, all the faculty members, and the entire IEEE student branch team for organizing such a wonderful activity. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Honorable Sir, for your motivational, encouraging, and blessed words. Thank you so much, sir. And now, with the permission of our Honorable Director, sir, now our guest of honor has been joined. So now I would like to invite to him for a guest of honor address. So, sir, kindly give me permission. Honorable Director, sir.
Please, Dr. Khadim, I think on guest of honor, we are really looking forward for his address as well.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to invite our honorable guest of honor, Professor Mohammad Rayan, Vice Chairperson IEEE UP section, for guest of honor address. Sir, now it is over to you. Honorable sir.
Thank you, Dr. Khadim. And the chairman of IEEE UP Section Executive Committee, rather I should say the dynamic chairman of IEEE UP Section Executive Committee, Dr. Satish Kumar Singh, the director of BBD ITM, Dr. Professor Bhavesh Kumar Saab, all the chairpersons of different departments of BBD, the office bearers of IEEE Students Branch, as well as PES Students Chapter of BBD ITM. Good afternoon to all of you. And I'm really happy to join you this morning regarding the releasing ceremony of different magazines of different departments. As I have said yesterday, I would repeat that I'm really happy to see the way the Students Branch in particular of BBD ITM has been growing, at least I can say for last year, because I have been following it for almost a year now. And today I have realized the source of this growth. Basically, there is an all-round growth in different departments also, and a very good leadership is in place, and who are working towards all-round development of students and faculty. So I congratulate you all, and I'm really happy to be a part of this program. The magazines, if we talk about the magazines of institutes or departments, they play a very important role. So one important role is regarding the compilation of information, which is handy for anybody from outside side as well as for the department and institute. And as you know, related to different accreditation exercise also, this data is highly useful. So that is one part, compilation of information and presentation. But the more important part of these magazines is the way they provide opportunity to grow for the students as well as faculty members. So you see, when we pass from the colleges or schools, and usually the people who opt for mathematics, engineering side, sometimes we feel that we are going to mathematics side and we will not have much to do with literary skills. But later on, when you join the field, you realize it is all about communication, whether written or oral. So these magazines, what they do, they provide a very good avenue for students to learn the writing skills also. So they, in addition to the editorial and managerial activities, they have a scope for to learn the writing skills. And I would say that this provides a very good platform to the faculty also. You see, we write a lot of research articles. That is our part of our job. But when you write a general article for understanding of general public, you will realize that that is not an easy job, because it requires a good understanding of the technicalities as well as it requires a good writing skills also. So these type of magazines, when you write articles in these, so they provide a good platform for faculty also to further refine their writing skills, their communication skills. So I'm really happy that your students as well as staff are utilizing this opportunity which has been given to them. And in the 2 days, I have observed that the college is progressing really well. My best wishes to the administration as well as faculty and staff, students, and I'm sure that they will continue doing so. And you are making good contribution to IEEE UP section also, because that is the idea and mandate of UP section. So we are sure that we'll extend all the support, and we are sure that we will keep doing these great things, great activities. So we wish you all best of luck, and I'm sure we'll be interacting in future also. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Honorable Sir, for your motivational and inspirational words. Thank you so much, sir. Now, further proceeding to our program, I would like to invite Advisor Women in Engineering, BBD ITM Lucknow, and the coordinator of PES Day 2021 program. And I will acknowledge from here, ma'am, without your active contributions, It is very difficult to organize this kind of long programs. Ma'am, I am going to invite you. Please propose vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, Khadim sir, for acknowledging me and appreciating me. Thank you so much, sir. Distinguished dignitaries, distinguished guests, our chairperson BBT group, our president BBD group, our vice chair BBD group, our guest of honor, respected director sir, HOD sir, DI, faculty members, students, volunteers present here. On behalf of BBT ITM, its entire fraternity and the organizing committee, I feel immense pleasure to take this opportunity to propose a vote of thanks. All of us stand on the shoulder of giants, but it's very rare that we look back and see how they have contributed and acknowledged it. So many of those who have lent their shoulder for publishing of our third edition of our college magazine and department magazine of different 5 departments are here today. I welcome this opportunity to say heartfelt thanks. As we have heard, the successful publishing of college and department magazine is due to very good system established, the independence, and yet the support we receive from the management, directors, sir, HOD, sir, DIs, and the faculty members who have contributed their endeavor tremendously in these ways. A special thanks to our respected chief guest, Dr. Satish Kumar Singh, present chair of IEEE UP section, our guest of honor, Dr. Mohammad Rihan, vice chair IEEE UP section, our guest, Dr. Monica Mehrotra, director BBD EC, for accepting our invitation, giving their valuable time in spite of their busy schedule. Thank you so much, all of you, for being with us. We appreciate your presence. I thank our director, sir, Dr. Bhavesh Kumar Chauhan, for all the support and guidance. Thank you, sir, for suggesting the magazine team about the structure and genesis of the system, for realizing the third edition of college magazine and summarizing it and giving us good insights. I thank our editor, Dr. Khadim Moin Siddiqui, and the editorial team behind him and the reviewing team who worked together for the excellent overview of the magazine. I thank the faculty member for putting whole together for this wonderful achievement that we are releasing the third edition of our college magazine and magazine of 5 different departments: mechanical department, civil department, computer science department, information technology department, and electronics and communication department. I thank all the HODs and DIs. So nice of you to have with us, to have the benefit of your rich insights, your experience, and of course, your valuable suggestions. Thank you for all your inputs. Lastly, I thank you all who have come to celebrate with us. We thank you and we look forward for your ongoing inputs to help us to take the college magazine even further in the years to come. We here stand today is the combination of all our management and organization endeavor and efforts. We know that we can go forth with renewed confidence that you all be there to celebrate our victories and question our falls. I would like to end with the quote: when we express gratitude, we must not forget that the highest appreciation is not to simplify utter words, but live by them. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Over to you, Khadim sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your vote of thanks. And now we are going to close the program. But before closing the program, we have one sad news. Actually, yesterday, Shrey Khanna's mother, and Shrey Khanna is our chairperson of IEEE BBD ITM student branch. So yesterday, our student chairperson, honorable mother, has reached to heaven. Okay, so before ending this program, we will keep 1 minute silence, and our deep condolences are with him. So we will make 1 minute silence. So after 1 minute, this program will be closed, and each and everyone can leave the platform.